If you're looking for a fast and compact portable SSD, you really need to look into the Crucial X9 Pro. This uses USB 3.2 Gen 2 to get speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second. For my test on my 14-inch MacBook Pro, I was able to get speeds of around 920 to 930 megabytes a second. I was able to copy 270 gigabytes of files in about 7 minutes on it, and I didn't notice the drive bogging down while using it either. I also put a Final Cut library on it and I was able to edit my video with no issues as well. Crucial did send me the X9 Pro for purposes of making this review, but all the thoughts in this video are my own and they have no say in the content of this video. The Crucial X9 Pro does come pre-formatted in exFAT for great cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're using it with Windows, Mac, Android, iPads, or gaming consoles, it's going to work great. I did reformat it to APFS as well to try and see if I could get faster speeds on my Mac, but I was still getting about the 920 megabytes a second read and write. This is the Pro version of the X9. The standard X9 is made of plastic, and this one is made of metal, and it's just going to be a little bit more durable and give you better long-term durability as well. The Pro version also has an IP rating of 55 and a drop rating of up to 7.5 feet. It feels really rugged, and it's made of anodized aluminum with a rubber base, and Crucial gives you a 5-year warranty on this drive. The drive is pretty simple. It has a USB-C port on the back, and it has a lanyard loop that also contains the LED. I really like that the LED is kind of hidden so you can tell that it's on, but it's not shining directly in your face when the light is on. After doing some tests with this drive, I didn't notice any speed or throttling issues like I've had on some older Crucial drives like the X8. If I started to transfer files over 100 gigabytes, then the X8 would slow down considerably. But with this drive, I don't notice any slowdowns even when working with large file transfers. I also tested this drive on my iPad Pro 11-inch and it worked great. I really like the included USB-C to USB-C cable's length because it's just right for using it with an iPad or a computer. It's not quite as short as some of the ones that come with some other drives, but it's not so long that it's annoying to deal with. The X9 Pro comes in 1, 2, and 4 terabyte configurations, and the prices are all over the place on these drives, especially depending on what the current sales are that are running. So if you want to know the most up-to-date pricing, check the links in the description below. Crucial also has the X10 Pro, which is pretty much identical to this drive aside from the fact that it's black, and it supports speeds of up to 2,100 megabytes a second, where this X9 Pro supports speeds only up to 1050 megabytes a second. Now, to get those faster speeds, you will need a USB 3.2 Gen 2 dual lane capable port, which all the current Macs that are out don't support the dual lane standard, so you're going to be limited to 920 megabytes a second, even if you buy the X10 Pro. So my advice is, unless you have a computer that can use those dual lane speeds, save just a little bit of money and buy the X9 Pro because it's going to give you the same warranty, the same durability, and the same performance. To tie it all up, I've been really impressed with just how small, affordable, and fast the X9 Pro is. This is definitely an initial review and speed test. If I have any issues with this drive, I'll be sure to update the description below with any other thoughts I have on this drive. But overall, I'm really pleased with it, and I'm excited to add this to my collection of portable SSDs. If you're interested in buying the X9 Pro, I have links in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video so you don't miss out on any other upcoming content.